Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are going to be installing this right here on this to achieve this. Alright, so first things first, we need to remove the seat. Just pull this off right here. Alright, so now that we have the seat removed, we're going to be working with this right here. So I believe we're going to be connecting it to this right here. This is like the only available plug that we have. All right, so what we need to do is, because this adapter right here it's not going to fit. It's impossible. You actually have to take out this part. So just lift up this little clip right here and pull it out, okay? And once that's out, you're going to notice that it's going to fit right in here. Just plug and play. It's that simple. So let's turn it on and test it out. Okay. There's a little plastic film on here. I'm going to keep it on until I get it all set up. And that way I make sure that I don't scratch this display right here. So let's see. Boom, and it's look like it's working. Nice. Not sure what L means. So basically now we need to go through the setup process and get this all dialed in. All right, so I got it routed down here. Now I'm gonna go underneath this area. And I wanted to make sure that this didn't get scratched. So I put the end of a glove, one of the fingers of a glove, I cut it off and I just put it on here. That's why it looks white right now. Just want to protect it so it doesn't get all scratched up in the process of installation. So this is gonna be going up here. Okay. So eventually I need to zip tie this up here to one of the other wires that are already connected, so that way it's not hanging down like this and touching the engine. So let's make sure that we zip tie this up once we're done here. And this one comes to the top. All right, so once that's up here, you can pretty much put it wherever you want to, but let's figure out a nice spot for this. All right, so we got this here. I'm gonna kind of follow the wires that are already here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit on the bike, because I want to see exactly what's comfortable for me, what's a good position. So here's me sitting on the bike right now. So if I'm riding it, I don't want this right there. I'm probably gonna mount it down here, somewhere that's a little bit hidden, but I can still see it very clearly. So it's gonna be down here somewhere. But at the same time, I don't want the wires hitting this when I spin it. So you gotta be mindful of what you're doing. So if I do have it there, there is a chance that it will hit the steering wheel when it's spinning right there. So now I'm thinking, what's another good spot? Maybe I could zip tie it down so that it doesn't hit it and go from there. So maybe I could route it from down here, a little bit under, and then put it there. That's what I'm gonna do. All right guys, so the installation is all finished. All we need to do is calibrate it, make sure that it's working properly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug this first, and then once I get out there, ready to calibrate, I'm gonna plug it back in because I don't want it to be incorrect. So basically, the way to set this up is you have to go through each gear. When it starts blinking, you need to be in that gear. And then when it starts blinking number 2, you need to switch to the second gear. And you repeat this process all the way through all the gears until finally it says O, indicates that the display stops blinking, and then the unit is programmed and should indicate the gears correctly. So let's go ahead and give that a try. You know, I don't have jack stands here for the motorcycle, but I'm just gonna have to do this on the road. So I have it unplugged right now. And once I get out to an open road where I know I can do this without, you know, switching to a wrong gear, I'm gonna plug it back in and then go for a spin. So let's give that a try.
All right, guys, so we are here at the spot. Let's get this unlocked. We're gonna plug this in real quick, and then we'll make sure that this thing is all working, all dialed in. There we go. Okay. All right, it says L. I don't know what that means, but maybe neutral. I have no idea. Oh, shoot. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. I think I'm in sixth gear. Yeah. Alright, so that's it, guys. You just do this until it stops blinking, and then I think it's gonna go to O. It's gonna stop blinking at O. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Yeah, it looks like it's working. 3, 2, second gear, first gear. Nice. Perfect. This thing is working. It's awesome. Just make sure it works good. Oh yeah, it's working. Woo! Alright, looks like it's working great. you guys can see it, guys. There we go. Now I'm not going to be confused which gear I'm in. Sweet! I like this. I like it a lot. Yeah, and like, you know, it's kind of hidden down there so I can see it clearly, and it's not so obtrusive. It's not in the way like all the way up there, you know. So I like things clean and hidden. So for me, this is perfect. Yeah, look at that. The only thing is, it only tells you what gear you're in when you're in a gear. So when you hold the clutch down, it doesn't tell you what gear you're in. But that's not a big issue to me because I'm not always holding down the clutch all the time. Typically when we're riding, we're always in some sort of gear, majority of the time. Yeah, but I definitely like it, guys. So this one, I bought it on Amazon for around $44 and change. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys know which one it is. But basically there are, you know, name brand ones out there. They claim to be made in USA, whatever, but they're all the same. They all come from the same manufacturer, probably from China. And if you want to save a few bucks, get this one. There's one out there, they sell it for like $160. I think that's a ripoff. That's way too much for what you're getting. All it does is tells you what gear you're in. Why do you even need to spend $150, $160 on that? Nah, you don't need to. So I opted to go with this one. It does the same exact thing, and yeah, and I like it. You can get other colors if you want. I chose green because green happens to be my favorite color. So yeah, that wraps it up, guys. I appreciate you stopping by. Hope you guys like this video. Shoot me a like or subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.